We were definitely ready for a little bit of a facelift. We're beyond thrilled. It's even better than we really thought that it was going to be.
And a lot of the product was new to everyone. All of the employees that work in the gift shop, it's like had never seen it before because it's been waiting for this renovation.
We've gotten a much larger selection of plush items, toys, different types of gift items. One of the biggest areas is in our baby and children's section. We have a great variety of gifts. We have expanded our selection of pocketbooks and purses.
Our employees are the bulk of our customers, and they are in here every day that they work. And I always like to provide them with something new to look forward to when they come in.
Here at the Church Street campus, we have Mary Smith, a dedicated floral designer, and that is not something that most hospitals have.
Unfortunately, when it comes in, it goes out quick, so you pretty much have to come every day.